Welcome back to the Daily RV Life channel. Today, we're going to talk about an indispensable accessory for all RVers, the RV must-have hitch lock. Whether you're a seasoned RVer or just starting out, protecting your RV from theft should be a top priority. In this article, we'll dive into what a hitch lock is, why it's essential, and how to choose the right one for your RV. First and foremost, let's understand what a hitch lock is and how it works. A hitch lock is a device that securely locks your RV's hitch onto your vehicle's tow bar, preventing anyone from hooking up and towing your precious home on wheels without your permission. It acts as a deterrent and provides an added layer of security, giving you peace of mind when you're away from your RV. The importance of a hitch lock cannot be emphasized enough. RV theft is a real concern, and hitch locks play a crucial role in preventing it. With a properly installed hitch lock, the chances of someone stealing your RV decrease significantly. It acts as a visual deterrent and makes it difficult for potential thieves to connect their vehicle to your RV's hitch. Choosing the right hitch lock for your RV requires careful consideration. Here are a few key factors to keep in mind. 1. Compatibility. Ensure that the hitch lock you choose is compatible with your specific RV's hitch size and type. 2. Strength and durability. Opt for a hitch lock made of high-quality materials like hardened steel, which provides superior strength and durability. 3. Locking mechanism. Look for a hitch lock with a reliable and robust locking mechanism, such as a pin or a lock mechanism, that is not easily tampered with. 4. Ease of use. Select a hitch lock that is easy to install and remove, allowing for convenience while on the road. Remember, investing in a high-quality hitch lock is an investment in your RV's security. Spending a little extra on a reliable lock can save you from the heartache and financial loss of RV theft. In conclusion, the RV must-have hitch lock is an essential accessory for every RVer. By securing your RV's hitch, it provides peace of mind and acts as a powerful deterrent against theft. Remember to choose a hitch lock that is compatible with your RV, made of durable materials, and features a reliable locking mechanism. We hope this article has been informative and helpful in guiding you towards choosing the right hitch lock for your RV. Thanks for watching the Daily RV Life channel, and until next time, happy RVing.